Hello everyone. Today we are going to use Happy FAQ WooCommerce plugin to set up Global FAQs. Global FAQs will allow you to add FAQs for a lot of product in one go. So let us go to the settings page of the FAQ plugin. Click on Enable Global FAQs. Click on Save Changes. Go to Add New FAQ. Write an FAQ. Now from the Happy FAQ panel, click on Global FAQs. From Display in Pages, click on Product and Archive Pages. Then click on Publish. Now visit the store and choose any product to see the global FAQ. We have many special features in the premium version of this plugin. Don't forget to watch them. Thank you.